Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code is and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of understanding the error code content error code in Grand Theft Auto primarily indicates a connection issue between your game client and the Rockstar Games servers. This error typically prevents players from connecting to get only and often appearing during the initial loading screen or when attempting to join a session. It suggests that the game is unable to establish or maintain a stable network connection, which can stem from various factors, including local network problems, software interferences, or issues on Rockstar's end, ultimately hindering access to multiplayer content. Step identifying common causes of error content. The most frequent causes of error code include an unstable or restricted internet connection on your end, interference from security software such as firewalls or antivirus programs blocking the game's access, outdated network drivers, corrupted game files, or temporary outages. Maintenance of the Rockstar Games servers. Sometimes even incorrect settings or usage can trigger this error by disrupting the game's ability to communicate properly with the necessary online services required for chat online. Step basic troubleshooting steps. Content. Begin troubleshooting by performing fundamental checks. First, restart your game, and if the issue persists, restart your core console entirely to refresh system processes. Next, power cycle your network hardware. Unplug your router and modem for at least seconds, then plug them back in and wait for them to fully reboot before attempting to launch again. Ensure your internet connection is stable and functional by testing other online applications or websites to rule out a general internet outage. Step for advanced network and software solutions. Content. If basic steps fail, delve into more advanced solutions and its associated launchers, like the Rockstar Games Launcher or Steam, as exceptions in your firewall and antivirus software to prevent them from blocking the connection. Consider changing your settings to a public server like Google and or Cloudflare and verify the integrity of your game files through your game launcher. Steam's verify integrity of game files or the Games Launcher's verify option to repair any corrupted data. Ensure your network drivers and the game itself are updated to the latest versions. Step. Contacting Rockstar Games support. Content. If you have exhausted all troubleshooting options, including restarting, checking network stability, adjusting firewall settings, verifying game files, and updating software, and error code still persists, it is advisable to contact Rockstar Games support directly. Provide them with a detailed description of the error, all the troubleshooting steps you have already performed, and relevant information about your system and the internet provider. They can offer further specific diagnostics check for server-side issues that might not be publicly announced or provide tailored solutions for your unique situation.